Hi everyone, I'm Hardi and welcome to Yum with Mom. So in this video, we will see the recipe of delicious, soft and fluffy donuts. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such tempting and easy recipes. So now in a bowl, take 1/4 cup warm milk, make sure it's not hot. Then add 3 tablespoons of sugar and stir well. Once the sugar is mixed, add 2 teaspoons of yeast and give it a mix. Keep it aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our yeast is activated. If it is not, then please do not use that yeast. Okay, so now in a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of maida and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now add the activated yeast mixture. To this, now add half a cup of water, little by little. You can also add the entire half a cup of water in one go if you want. Don't worry if it starts getting sticky, you are going right. Stretch and pull the dough to activate the gluten and knead it properly for at least 10 to 15 minutes, just as the way I am doing, as this is an important step, you guys. After kneading it properly, add 1.5 teaspoon of butter. Mix the butter well with the dough. Knead the dough until the butter is completely mixed with it. Now put it in a bowl and apply some oil on it and cover it with a lid. Let it rest for 1 to 2 hours in a warm place, but guys, don't overdo it. As you could see, our dough has doubled in volume. Knead it again for 1 to 2 minutes. Before rolling the dough, dust some maida and start rolling. We don't want it very thick or very thin. Thickness, I would say almost ½ inch. Now I'm going to take a glass and cut it. You can also use donut cutter or any cookie cutters of your choice. You can reuse the leftover dough, just roll it again and repeat the steps. Now I'm going to take smaller bottle cap and get the center out. And repeat the same with all of it. Now, here I have a floured plate in which I'm going to place our donuts. Now apply some oil on it and proof it for another 15 minutes. Here I have some cooking oil heating on a medium flame. Be careful while putting the donuts, you guys. We don't want the oil to splash out. Fry the donuts until they become golden from both the sides. Now here comes my favorite part to decorate our donuts. Here I have used some melted dark chocolate. All you have to do is take a donut, dip it half into the chocolate, and you can use any chocolate of your choice, you guys. And finally, some sprinkles. Here I have used 2 different types of sprinkles, and some grated white chocolate. Give this recipe a try and enjoy the deliciousness of these donuts.